Hi everyone, welcome back to Management Online class. In today's class, we're going to be looking at metrics part 1. And in this part 1, we're going to be focusing on introduction to metrics. We're going to be talking about definition, size of a matrix, a lot of types. We'll be focusing on the square, zero, and identity matrix with a little example. A definition of a matrix is just an array of elements set out in a pair of brackets. Array means the arrangement of numbers in rows and column. That's definition, the arrangement in size of row and column. And when we're talking about the size of a matrix, the size of a matrix can be described by the number of rows and columns it contains. And there are types. A square matrix is a matrix that has its rows and column to be the same. If for instance 2 3 1 4 5 6, this is a square matrix of, you can say, the number of rows and the number of columns are the same. That's a square matrix, and you can have it as this and this. So this 2 by 2 square matrix, 3 by 3 square matrix. And when we are talking about zero matrix is a matrix where all the elements are zero. All the elements are zero. You can have it 2 by 2, you can have it 3 by 3. An identity matrix is a matrix in which you have the leading diagonal identity matrix. We have the leading diagonal to be 1, and elsewhere every other element are 0. You can have it in 3 by 3, you can have it in 2 by 2. So the principal diagonal, that is the leading diagonal, is going to be 1, and every other way elsewhere will be 0. That's identity matrix. And here we are to write down the size of each matrix in this form of n and m. N is the row, m is the column. So if you look at the first one, you discover that you have column 1, column 2, row 1, row 2. So if you are to say the first one, it is safe to say is 2 by 2. That's the size of this matrix. It's a matrix of order 2 by 2. It has 2 rows and it has 2 columns. And when you look at this, you only have a row, column, column, column. So when you're looking at the second one, the size of this matrix is a matrix of order 1 by 3. So that means it has just 1 row and 3 columns. And if you look at the next one, you have the row 1, row 2, and column 1. So if you look at this one, the third one, the size of this matrix is the 2 by 1. The size is 2 by 1. What does that mean? It has 2 rows and 1 column. And the last but not the least, look at it. We have the row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2. So it means it's 3 by 2. That is 3 rows and 2 columns. So the next class is going to be focusing on the addition and subtraction of a matrix. Thank you.